Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revive and rejuvenate your nails and cuticles, the Cuccio Naturale Lavender and Chamomile Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. We found this gem online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Cuccio Naturale Cuticle Oil comes in a 2.30 fluid ounces bottle and is designed specifically to condition and hydrate your nails and cuticles. Infused with the calming scents of lavender and chamomile, this oil not only nourishes but also provides a sensory experience that can elevate your self-care routine. One of the standout features of this cuticle oil is its advanced therapy for dry hands. If you've been struggling with peeling cuticles or cracked nails, this oil is formulated to deeply penetrate your skin with moisture. It works diligently to heal damaged, dry hands, making it an excellent solution for anyone suffering from nail and cuticle issues. What I love most about this product is that it is entirely free from artificial ingredients. That means no parabens or harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin. Instead, it's crafted with plant-based preservatives and high-quality natural ingredients. This makes it a great choice for those concerned about what they put on their skin. Another great feature is its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. Many cuticle oils leave behind a greasy residue, but not this one. The Cuccio Naturale oil melts directly into your skin, providing intensive hydration without weighing down your hands. You can apply it and go about your day without worrying about slippery fingers or sticky surfaces. If you're looking for stronger and healthier nails, this cuticle oil has got you covered. A single application can strengthen your nails and boost their natural shine overnight. For those with thin, brittle nails, this anti-breakage formula encourages natural growth and thickness, making it an essential product for nail care enthusiasts. So, who is this product suitable for? Honestly, it's perfect for anyone who wants to take better care of their nails and cuticles. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or someone who enjoys regular manicures, this cuticle oil can easily fit into your routine. It's especially beneficial for those living in dry climates or anyone who frequently uses hand sanitizer, as these factors can lead to dry, cracked skin. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for this cuticle oil. First, you can incorporate it into your nightly self-care ritual. After a long day, simply apply a few drops to your cuticles and massage it in. You'll wake up to softer, more hydrated hands. Alternatively, you can use it before a manicure to prep your nails and cuticles for polish application. It helps create a smooth canvas, ensuring your manicure looks fresh and polished. Additionally, if you find yourself working with your hands a lot, whether it's gardening, crafting, or even typing on a keyboard, this oil can provide that extra layer of protection and moisture your cuticles need. It's also a fantastic option for anyone who enjoys at-home spa treatments. The elegant bottle design adds a touch of luxury to your collection, making it feel like a special treat every time you use it. In conclusion, the Cuccio Naturale Lavender and Chamomile Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is a versatile and effective product that can transform your nail care routine. With its natural ingredients, lightweight formula, and soothing scent, it really does deliver on its promise of salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.